Hey y'all.
I got my whistle.
We are going to have a very long, but it should be fun-filled day. First stop is food. Because we all hungry. We ain't had breakfast. So, sorry, I'm backing up. I'm looking at the backup camera so that I don't hit this car. This car keeps parking on the street and it makes me not be able to back up. Paris, stop that. But I'm thinking Sonic. Cause I am hungry. Y'all hungry?
I am hungry.
Yeah. So, I need to get a new mount for my phone because when I'm in the car, this thing bounces like crazy now. I think it's gotten weak. So, I'll probably just keep this one in the house. And get a new one. My dad said he ordered me a new one, but apparently it still ain't come yet because it's supposed to be a mount that actually like charges my phone too. So I'm just waiting. But I've had a long week, a long work-filled week, and I need this break. And I get to spend time with my babies, so that's a plus. Anything you girls want to say? Helena's just watching TV, so she's not even worried.
I want to say something.
Go ahead.
I've been dreaming to have a phone and play games on my own phone, and wish I could be a grown-up.
You do not want to be a grown-up. Don't rush it. Trust me.
I do want to be a
Nope.
grown-up. It's so much fun.
You don't. It's not always fun being a grown-up. It's a whole lot more responsibility. But you will learn that when you're grown up, you're going to wish you were a kid all over again.
No, I'm not.
I used to say the same thing. Now, I don't wish I was a kid, but I wish I didn't have so many responsibilities.
I wish I had so many responses.
You say that now until you got to go to work and then give somebody all your money that you just work for.
Then I'm going to pay
You ain't going to be
money back.
happy. It ain't fun. But as long as you make the right decisions, it shouldn't be as hard for you as it is for mommy. What's wrong?
But I'm getting bigger and bigger, Mom.
You are. Oh my God, these trucks, they aggravating.
If I'm getting bigger and bigger.
You are, but it's going to be a very long time before you're a grown-up. What's wrong?
But I would like being a grown-up forever and ever and ever and ever.
Okay. We'll see about that. We'll look back on our YouTube videos and I'll show you. When you're like, I can't stand being a grown-up. I'm going to show you this video and be like, remember when you said you wanted to be a grown-up and you was going to be happy to be a grown-up forever and ever and ever?
Yeah.
And then you're going to be like, because I still remember the times when I said I wanted to be a grown-up. But we are going to talk to you guys later. Make our stops. And we'll see you guys in a few.
Crunchy alligator.
Hi, can I get one kids meal grilled cheese with fries? Oh, actually, I'll get it with the fries. And apple juice.
Stop.
Okay, anything else? Yes, a hot dog kids meal with fries also. And do you want apple juice, chocolate milk, or apple juice or chocolate? Why she got her eyes closed? That is not my card. That's my card. What card is that? Who card that is? Yours?
Yeah.
So who won?
You better not say you.
That's what I thought she was gonna do.
She was. She's getting ready. Who won?
You know she playing with your,
Yeah.
your car.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Huh?
You know she playing with your car keys.
Yeah, I told her, hold on.
No.
What?
Hey, your car alarm going off?
Oh, that was my car that beat?
Yeah.
I thought somebody else had a Honda. Oh, okay. Thank you. Play with this. You don't play with that?
Okay.
Play with that?
No.
I see. Just play with it.
I hope I get the deck of magic. I got the deck of magic.
Keep your legs closed.
Okay.
You see, you better put on your snap.
My Facebook and my Instagram.
It's so
Oh my goodness.
Thank the Lord, because I can't have no sex changing baby. Look at that fat face. Oh, I see the glimpse. That freaking hand is always near his.
Hold it now.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Give me a hug.
She's so sweet.
His sister want to hold you. Thank you.
Hi, Helena.
You
I
too.
want to hold you. Come here, let me hold you. Let me hold you.
Paris, stop. You know she.
Helena, come on. Don't touch. No, ma'am. Come on. She about to touch some bears.
Oh, come on, baby. No, no. No.
I love that.
Girl, that's a big girl. Come on.
I love
Oh, I used to have like a heartbeat bear for Paris.
Don't touch that.
And I moved so much. I don't know where it is.
Say bye-bye.
I'm about to open the door for you guys. Helena, back up.
Come here, Helena.
Back up.
Come here, baby girl. All right, there you go. Yep, let's go. Whoa. So pretty. Go. This way.
Thank you.
The baby made it. You made it.
I did. Come on.
Mom made it.
Come on, Helena.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
A little bow-legged self. Sorry, baby. Is it hot? Here, put your arm in there.
Hey guys, we just left Once Upon a Child. I didn't record because when I got out, the weather was kind of eh. And then when we were about to come out of Once Upon a Child, it was even worse. It was like pouring down when I was checking out, but it slowed down once I was done and went outside. I headed back towards the house.
I got my glasses on, guys.
What glasses? Oh,
My doctor glasses.
I just bought Paris a vet cart. You can probably see it in the back, right there.
And I have
But-
that dog and I take good care of it.
She takes good care of it.
Because I'm an excellent doctor.
Girl, you made me forget what I was gonna say.
Huh?
I was gonna say something and you made me forget. Trying to have. Oh God, I'm getting caught by every freaking red light. Goodness gracious.
Every red light.
But trying to have a productive day, get the girls out of the house since during the week they're in the house all day. Because I always forget the car seats in my car and my dad needs the car seats to get them out. Why does this dude keeps getting out the garbage truck and then getting back in? I think he's trying to do something. But they're having fun. We're having a good day so far. We had Sonic for lunch, as you guys seen already. The ultrasound went great. I gotta get the Snapchat videos from a friend because I didn't record because I thought I was gonna get some sort of disc or something and they did not give me a disc. So I'm just gonna have to get those snaps that she took. Got a couple more things up my sleeve for the rest of the day.
got my scissors, my blue scissors and red scissors.
Yep. I think by the end of the day,
My
we'll
plastic
go
scissors.
get some stuff from the grocery store. My dad said he was going grocery shopping, but I need a couple things, so I'll probably go to just to get stuff for like lunch, and I don't know, I kind of want to go to a craft store because I want to do my nails,
Mom,
but I don't got everything I want to do my nails.
I look normal now because I don't have my doctor glasses on. Because they're purple. I like purple and pink. Mom,
Helena got a bus.
Mom, what does purple and pink make, Mom?
Purple and pink make a darker purple. I think. They're basically the same color.
I know.
Because white and red make pink.
Yeah,
Yeah.
white and red.
And red and blue make purple.
Yeah.
And if you put purple and pink together, they're pretty close. So it's just probably just gonna make a darker purple.
Yeah. It's gonna make a kind of blue.
There's so much traffic. Huh? Yes.
If you mix white pink with bright pink, it will make a darker blue. If you mix
I don't think that's right.
blue with white, it will be
If you
darker
mix
blue.
if you mix white with blue, it makes light blue.
Yeah, that's what it makes, Mom.
Mhm.
That's because you gotta use another blue color to make that color.
I got King some more stuff. I
Yeah.
decided to switch the order of his name. His middle name's gonna be King instead of his first name. But I'm still gonna call him King. The girls, they didn't know we were coming here. They just over there enjoying themselves with their buckets and pails. I mean their shovels and pails. You see my tub? I'm gonna jack that tub up. That is a whole nother story. You girls having fun?
Yeah, I'm building a sandcastle. And I need a flag, so I'm using a stick.
The beach, and I look like crazy. That one sleep. That went into the TV. Crazy. Crazy!
I got your stuff.
It was so hot out there. My makeup ran all off. I had to like wipe my face. So now I just look crazy. But we're headed home. Probably take Helena home. I need to head back out to the store. But first, I gotta take this baby home. Get both of the girls washed. I gotta wash up because I'm so sandy and I feel gross.
I don't feel gross, Mom.
You've been in that sand. You should feel gross. That sand and that water, seaweed all over you and stuff. We need baths. Okay, we'll see you guys when we get there. Helena. Why you being bad? You need a diaper change. You bad. You know that? You know you bad.
That's it, Mom. A-E-O-A-E-I-E. A-O-E-I-O-I-O-I-E.
You trying to sing your ABCs? Huh?
Helena, you deserve it. Okay, Helena.
No, you're not supposed to put it in that part. You're supposed to put it down the side so that it pushes out. You put it in the pink part.
Mom. Oh. Mom.
Hmm? And it's going to slide down and it's going to push it back up.
Let's do it again. I couldn't juggle. Helena. Mom. Helena. A ball. Play ring around the rosy. A pocket's full of
Thank you.
roses. Helena. Let's play ring around the rosy. A pocket's full of roses.
Stop, baby. Go play in the sprinkler. You gotta sit down.
Polo. Good job. You said Marco. You said Marco. Oh my God. I'm looking. I cannot find it.
I can't record you without you coming to say cheese.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
How did y'all sleep? How did you sleep?
I sleep really good, and I'm going to draw another thing that starts with X. Mom, X-ray starts with X.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, he wasn't here when you dropped him off. And I'm so happy. That's why I love it. Mom, it has clock. It has clock.
That's how it picks up the trash.
Yeah.
They're like so amazed by the trash truck right now. You think you're a dog?
Meow, meow, meow. Mom, cats don't like dogs, like cat dogs.
Some do. Why you got that shirt on your legs?
Like
Why you got that shirt on your legs?
Like I'm a little kitty and I like dogs very much. And I'm a little kitty and Helena's a little doggy.
What are you doing? You ready to get some eats? Yes, you are. Go, 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 go. Oh, I had to drive in my dad's car because my car is being a bia right now. It just decided it wanted to stop working. I don't know what happened. We don't know what's going on with it. But it has to go to the shop.
Mom.
Also,
Mom.
there's a nail in my tire.
Mom.
So I have to replace my tire. Yes?
Mama.
So, using Dad's car. Just got done visiting him at the hospital. because he was sick from basically something that his chemo treatment was doing to him, but he's good now. Should be coming home tomorrow. But now we're about to eat at the Village Inn. And then we're gonna go home and probably watch movies because we have nothing else to do with our day. I've been off work because he wasn't able to take care of them, and you know, I've been checking up on him. Come over here. But let me get in here and get off this phone so I can put my baby shoes on and we can go eat.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Currently at Chipotle with my munchkins. Why are you so crazy? Right on your forehead.
So, I'm just chomping on my yummy food. Mom, when I'm looking at your phone, it shows me that I'm not looking at your phone. And I am.
You're crazy. What are you doing? Y'all both acting like some crazies. Get off. Lunch at Chipotle. Then we're gonna go to IKEA. And then we're going home. You want some more food? Stop that. You probably still got food in your mouth. That's nasty. There you go.
Bye.
Why are you so mean? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No. Why are you so mean?
No.
Why are you so mean?
No.
But mommy wants kisses.
No.
Mommy can't have kisses?
No.
Why are you so mean?
No.
No, why?
No.
But I thought
Mommy.
But I thought you loved me. But I thought you loved mommy. I thought you loved me.
I don't want.
You don't want.
Lena, give me a kiss.
Oh, you kiss your sister, but you won't give me kisses?
She wants this measuring.
Can I have kisses?
Mom, she wants this measuring
Can mommy have
tape.
kisses?
I'm not giving
You're so
her
mean.
measuring tape.
What are you talking about?
About the Bobby.
No. Give me the remote. No.
Now I have some sweet potatoes, peppers, and squash.
I love you.
I see.
I can eat them plain. I'm eating this potato right now, just plain. I like mixing it with eggs.
What are you doing?
And yes, nice and easy prep for the week.
What are you doing?
Daddy.
Who is
Daddy. One.
Your hair looks crazy. What? What are you screaming for? Are you excited about your brother? Are you excited about your brother? He said, Why not? Why are you not excited? Go talk to her. Go talk to her. Alexa. You talk to Alexa?
Now I got it.